vlog number 4. We're still sleeping on an air mattress and it's still hot. Today we're going to show you how we turned this monstrosity of a fireplace into this. Before we do, we're going to show you a few activities and events that we've been doing throughout the week. We are today on the vlog going to be painting our fireplace in a little how-to video. Step 1 is going to be to scrub it really well with some water and light soap. Step 2 is going to be to cover the mantle and the flooring with some paper and tape. Step 3 is going to be to paint with a roller and get the crevices with an angled brush. And step 4 is going to be let dry. Step 5 is going to be potentially put another coat on it. We'll see how it goes. For today's project, we went to the store this morning and got our materials. We have a ladder, we have a scrub brush, some paper to lay down, one paintbrush, one roller, stir sticks, a can of masonry, stucco, and brick paint, and one of the thick rollers so we can find those grooves in pretty good with the fireplace. Total, everything to do this project cost us about $105, but we already had one of these Costco step ladders that's coming and getting shipped to us, so we had to buy another one because it's not here yet, and we're gonna subtract that from the budget, so it'll be $80 total to do this whole project. First step, scrubbing down all the brick. Next, Kelsey's gonna tape paper around the fireplace exterior to make sure we don't get paint on the stone or the tile. Time to open up the paint. Gotta use a house key because we don't have screwdrivers shipped yet. Mix her up real good there. We got the thickest, spongiest roller we could get to make sure we fill all the crevices and get a good layer on there. Alright, we're gonna start painting. I'm gonna start rolling and Kelsey is going to start with the brush. We are finishing up some of the cracks and tiny crevices with some tiny little painter's paintbrushes from Target. It's starting to look really good though. Alright, totally finished. Turned out awesome. Just need some decor. Fireplace, and now on Sunday evening before Kelsey's second week at work, we're making some taco salads. We're short on trays for now until the rest of our stuff gets here, so we've had to be creative. We're using the pot for rice, and then we're going to use it to brown the ground beef as well. Taco salads tonight, still on the healthy train.